Hello guys, I'm at my cousin's place, Ricky, because we are leaving tomorrow and we're spending our last evening in Atlanta, Georgia with him and his family and my aunt and some other family members before we head on back to the UK. Guys, I didn't get to video Ricky's place before, but I'm going to do it now, although it's a bit dim. Wow, I can hear some, don't know if you can hear that guys. There's like a marching band thing going on there. Over there in the distance. Wow, can you hear it? So this is his garden guys. It's a mean bit of garden to look after, I'm telling you. I tell you, I wouldn't want to look after this. You need a tractor to cut this grass, motorized. So, yeah, there it is, guys. Got the veranda there, etc. I'm not going to walk on the grass too much because it was raining today, guys. It was raining quite heavily. But the rest of the week when we're gone is gonna be very, very hot, guys. Very, very hot, they said. They said, you're lucky you're gonna miss it. Miss the heat wave. So I'm just walking you around, guys, these massive mansions as far as I'm concerned. This is a mansion. I'll just give you a quick walk around. But they do keep it very, very manicured. Very, very cut, designed. They don't mess around here, guys. Everybody looks after their properties to make sure it's in keeping with the area. You don't want to live in a place like this and have everything looking rough. And like in the UK, you'll pass one house and it will look absolutely wonderful. And then you go past the other house and it's absolutely awful. These trees are part of his property. Massive things, I'm telling you. So yep, as the sun goes down and the evening begins and the darkness sets in, I will catch you guys later. Let me introduce myself to the family because I haven't gone in there yet. I'm going to chill for a while and yeah, say our goodbyes. Hello guys, we're at the Waffle House and it is busy, 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 and we're by the Centennial Park and oh my days, we came to the right one. There is a queue here and we are waiting. We were going to go but it's slowly going down, but that's the Waffle House there guys. Ethan and Mahal, Stephanie stayed at the apartment and this Waffle House is at the Centennial Park. And that's why it's so busy, because tourists are coming here to get something to eat. Look at that, guys. That's the tram. Sorry. Yeah. That's the tram. Yeah, guys, we're here at the Waffle House, but it is busy, busy, busy. Oh, they're doing the smaller groups there. So people who are smaller groups, they're letting them in.
One eternity later.
Oh wow, we got here guys, we actually made it. We got into Waffle House and it is busy, busy, busy. There are so many people here. Lucky we didn't leave then, innit? We would have left. I'm just gonna have, yeah big boy, what are you gonna have? Oh, you just want that, yeah? With bacon, yeah? Ethan wants waffle and breakfast side. How you doing?
Y'all need a few minutes, I can get drinks if you need them. Yes, casserole,
Yeah.
and bacon, ham, and sausage.
Bacon.
And regular waffle. Yes, please. And toast, white, wheat, raisin, or a biscuit. For the toast. Biscuit. We got raisin. Oh, that's we got white, and we got a biscuit.
Oh, just white.
Okay, and I got coffee. I don't know what the.
Yeah, I'll take this one.
2 coffee.
Yeah, 2 coffee.
You had coffee?
Yeah.
Y'all like creamer?
Yes, please, yeah.
No sugar.
And this one, please.
A waffle and bacon?
And bacon, yeah.
And then that's it?
Yeah, and can I have one takeaway?
1 waffle to go?
With bacon, yeah.
One. So you got 2 of those, 1 to go.
Yeah.
And that's it? Then the drink will come in?
Thank you. All cooked up fresh, guys. All cooked up fresh. Yeah, guys. The food is coming. That's Ethan's there. And this is ours. Oh, sorry. I missed the bacon. The bacon's coming.
A few moments later.
Here it is, guys. Here's the bacon.
Would y'all like water or anything?
No, that's fine.
And then y'all got a bacon and waffle to go, right? I get that.
Yeah. So you're going to put your honey on it and all that? Or your syrup, whatever you want, guys. Waffle House. There's the Waffle House, big boy there. Chuck your bacon on there. Just cut it in half now for us. Here, big boy. Whoa. Ah, look at that. That's how you put your drizzle, your big boy's drizzling his, his syrup. Mummy's doing my one because we are sharing. And then we've got this as well. Look at that. This is 1 meal, guys. We ordered 1 meal for me and Mummy and Mahal, and hey, that's doing 2 of us. Look at this. I tell you, they don't mess around, innit, Mummy? The bacon is so crispy. Yeah, very crispy. It's very crunchy. You get some egg on there. Some egg now. This is amazing. In Atlanta, USA. Oh, to go only. Thank you very much. Let's get the Uber. Should we go to the Centennial Park? Let's just go there. Let me just get some pictures there and that's it really. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you. Yeah. Hello guys, we're just at Centennial Park, just doing a quick video of the wheels spinning around Georgia's own massive building there, and the 5 rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Olympic Games that was held in Atlanta. So we're going to head back to the apartment, get ready. The missus has got a lot of packing to do. We just came from the Waffle House. Very calming, soothing, lots of water flowing there. Yeah guys, I'm wrapping up this video filming with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And I tell you something guys, it's done a wonderful job. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've given it a right old test here, I must say. I haven't got my microphone in because I've got it in my bag. So this is the sound coming from the Z Fold 7 mics. Look at this. Wonderful. Let me get my mug out of the shop. And I'm sure a lot of you are going to start using dual view. Look at this guys. I've just moved myself. I could put myself in whatever part of the shot I want. Look at that. Wonderful, wonderful. I think this is the only camera, don't quote me guys, that can do this, because I've never seen it. I'm the only one, I think, that I've seen doing videos using dual record, I should say, not dual view. That was the old terminology. Now it's called dual record, and I quite like it because it gets me in the shot and it gets me showing you what I'm recording at the same time, guys. This is all handheld, by the way, guys, all handheld. I'm trying not to use the gimbal. I've got my Insta360 gimbal in the bag, but I really want to show you how this can be used without a gimbal. When I'm walking, it looks steady to me. You're going to get slight camera shake. I've got stabilization on, obviously, because you need to. But I need to show you guys what you can do without any additions. And this is it, guys. This is the Z Fold 7 without anything added. No gimbal, no microphone, nothing. All the sound coming from the phone and walking handheld. And I'm not doing the ninja walk either. I'm just walking, guys. It's wonderful. I'm just showing you the park, Centennial Park, quite a large area. A lot of people come here to chill out on their lunch break, etc. So look at that lovely torches there that I presume were illuminated when the games were going in full swing, guys. So this is a different angle of the Ferris wheel there, that massive wheel. We haven't gone up there. I'm a bit of a scaredy cat to go up there, so I'm staying down here, mate. I'll look at it. I've been on one. I went to the London Eye, obviously. I've been in that one and it was really good, but I wouldn't go in every single one of them. I'll just view it from the terra firma or firm ground, guys. Anyway, that is it, guys. That is our trip in Atlanta, Georgia, to see family and friends. And I've met some new friends. Wonderful people, wonderful experience. And it's time to get everything together and to head back to the UK. Yep, until my next video. Oh, been photobombed here. Video bombed. Until my next video, I will catch you guys later.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, I'm knackered. You can see my eyes. I'm kind of tired. We've been up early, went to bed late, got up early, went to Waffle House, and now I'm actually sitting looking at my plane. Look at that, guys. We just walked through the immigration door and our plane was sitting right there. So we're sitting waiting to board in the next 50 minutes, say. Hello guys, we got our McDonald's, I was gonna say. We've got our Burger King. Big boy, he got a double bubble there. Look at that. Wow, give me the tomatoes then. Just leave it there. Stephanie got whatever there. Chips, mummy's got that there. And we got fries and onion rings. And I must say, it's not too bad. I'm not gonna grumble about this. It tastes quite nice, isn't it, Ethan? You haven't even tasted it yet, except the chips. But the chips are nice though, I must say. Anyway, I'm going to tuck in. This plane doesn't seem to be starting up. He's trying to boot it up. The lights have gone off and there's no air con. It's been off for about 10 minutes now. The pilot or whoever's been trying to kickstart the plane and it's not kickstarting. When the plane's not running, something's wrong. We're all starting to get a bit hot in here because it's hot in Atlanta. They're still putting the luggage on there. While they're doing that, the plane's in darkness. Look at it. Lucky it's not night time, because if it was, we'd be sitting in the dark because there's no lights. Wow, this is going to be a journey back home. Anyway, let's see what's going on. Here it goes. Yes. Okay. Now you've seen it, guys. I've recorded it. That's what's been happening. This is about the 4th time. It's not turning on. Something's not switching on. We've got a taxi booked at Heathrow to take us home. Oh, that's better. Just hope they changed it for a good battery. Sweetie, that was a bit scary, innit? I don't know what's going on.
It's not scary at all.
Yeah, for me it was, because I've never seen that before. Okay guys, we've got some power. Looks like you're going to be moving. Anyway, I'm going to relax now. See you later.
So nice. Oh, look at that.
Everything looks partitioned.
Yeah.
touch base.
Thanks for joining me on this Atlanta holiday. If you enjoyed the vlogs, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to keep exploring, pick one of the videos on screen. Your next adventure starts right there.